What's going on, guy? Yo, you sexy motherfucker across the screen right now. I'm just a chill guy. Look. I got my sparkling water, got my black cup of coffee. Printing while we just chill. Because we're such a chill guy. Now look, guys, the money is flowing in. My credit cards and banks are freaking out. Everyone is freaking the fuck out. Everyone is like, what the hell is happening? Because, guys, just to say, we hit our first 10K day yesterday. If you go check here, right, yesterday, 9K, whatever, 9,500, fuck off. In my currency, that's way over 10K. That's like 13 plus K. In US dollars to Canadian, that is insane amount of money. And guess what? So for yesterday at 10 a.m. we woke up to I didn't wake up at 10 a.m. but like at 10 a.m. I checked, we were at 2.5K in sales. Today it is 11, so it's an hour past, but we surpassed it by a mile. I woke up at like 8 and I already had like 2.5, like 3K. So today we're sitting at 4.6 and it's 11 a.m. We are cooking. We're fucking cooking. We're cooking. We are cooking. KO. Shoot. Sorry. We're a chill guy. Okay. Now, for you across the stream, you're probably asking, Julian, how the fuck are you doing this? How are you pulling this off? Because, look, let's say today we're not the full day, right? But yesterday we had 107 orders with almost $10,000 in sales. That is like a 90 AOV. Tell me how the fuck I'm doing it. Tell me. Ask me, please. Hello? Ask me. All right, I'll tell you. Don't worry about it. I'll tell you. All right, so it's the offer. Your offer. I can't emphasize this enough. I've been telling since day one of this test. It's the offer. Offer. I'm selling something for one price, one object for $30, but my AOV is 90? What the fuck are you doing? Are you doing some sorcery? No. Let me tell you. You got to cook up a good offer. Now, before we go into some good examples, actually, let's just go straight into some good examples. So, look, the best way to do this is obviously go to competitors. And you know what? With an offer, it doesn't even have to be like creatives where you have to go look at other people targeting your specific target audience. Just go look at competitors and see what they're doing. So I pulled up a few of these branded stores that have pretty good offers, and this is just like a selected few out of like 10s and 20s that I have in the Discord for resources. So if you want to know more in detail how I build my offers, check the link below. Discord, all the sauce that you need to be able to pull these numbers is all in the Discord. And for such a low fee, because it's Black Friday, I want to help everyone as much as possible. But let's get straight into it. So basically, we have this supplement. And a lot of them are supplement because supplement is a bit tricky, but you can do very good offers. So obviously here they have the different flavors. And first of all, look at our website. It's beautiful, right? But you have the different flavors, which is not really the offer. But they have one bag for $60, okay? Plus free accessories, okay? But then they offer you 2 bags for $232. No, sorry, for the way they do their pricing. So they say save. So instead of save percentage, they do save the certain amount of money, which is probably smart for them because saving instead of saying saving 30-40%, saving $230 seems a bit more seems better, right? So the total is $90 here. All right, 3 bags, $112, and then they have the upsells. Oh no, these are free gifts. So look at the way they structure it. They have to specifically click the free gift. Oh no, wait. Oh no, this is just all included. But it's just so prominent. Look, I'm getting all this for free. Like, what an offer. Like, think about it. What an offer. Yes, you may think that, like, yo, I'm getting a supplement. Like, let's say one bag, right? I'm getting one bag for $60, which, by the way, no joke, is actually a good price, because if you go to, like, get a protein bag, it is around $60, like the expensive ones, right? Like the, the healthier ones. So they're having it for $60, but plus you get all of this. Like, look at the value added to it. Like, it's the same thing like what Hormozi says. Create an irresistible offer that the customer cannot say no. Like, how could you say no to that? If you're considering on buying this brand, you're looking at the offer and you're saying, well, you're not comparing it to other competitors because their offer is so unique and so good. It's like, you're just saying, is it worth it? Like, through this brand. You're not saying like, oh, but AG1 has it at, nah. Your offer is so good and so unique, and you give so much value that it's just no one can compare to any other brand. A very, very good example. You got here with the beauty niche, right? Again, look, $200. It's very fucking expensive. But look, they don't get just this, red light machine. They get a activating serum with it. So it increases the perceived value for the reason why. And it basically explains to the customer that this is why we're charging it $200 for it, right? This is pretty simple. It's nothing crazy. It's just one offer, but it's like a bundle offer, I'd like to say. Next, we got these. Look, this is a bit more complicated, but just to look at like the options these people have. So you got, patches for each and every single one of them. Then you got bundles. So you got variety. You got best sellers. You got try them all. You got a specific self-care kit. Like, look how much you can, like, look how much, like, you give them the option. Sorry, okay. I got to calm down on my speaking. I'm too fucking wired right now. Okay. They give the option to be able to spend, right? That is super, super important. A lot of like other people drop shipping, they only do like maybe like buy one, buy two, buy three, and then like it's like 20, 40, 60 type of shit. Like, you're not giving these people off, like, you're not offering them to spend more. Like, look how much you can spend. I can do 90 patches. I can do the try them all kit. I can do the one-time purchase or subscribe and save, so it's $100 a month, or just a one-time of $127. Like, look at the offers. Look at this one. This is more of a simple one I was talking about, and this offer could do better. So if you were deciding on doing this product, let's say, you look at this competitor. So this competitor is doing well. This offer is doing well. But how can I take this offer and do better? So I can have maybe single, duo, trio, and then bundle of 4 of these. Like, buy three, get one free. And then like a headache patch or like some other product to add to the bundle. To say like, okay, now instead of charging 60, we're going to charge 100 for this, right? So like, that's all the examples we have today. But basically, what I wanted to tell you is the way I structure my things is I have my offer catered to every type of person. I have it catered to like the low budget people, the middle budget people, and the high budget people, right? So I have an offer that's, if they want to buy one, it's $30. It's not that expensive, right? But then I have an offer where it's like people want to buy 3 or 4, they spend $100, right? So to acquire a customer, my AOV is so high because I offer like, oh, you can buy multiple, or you can buy my bundle, right? For like $100 plus. So my cost to acquire a customer could be literally $50, $60, and I'm still like, no, not 60, but like, let's say $40, $50, and I'm still profitable. Like, not a lot, but you see what I'm saying? It helps you become so profitable. So then you can later put the money back into scale. When I first started, my cost to acquire a customer was literally $10, but my AOV was 90. Like, I was huge, like I was crazy profitable. And basically my offer is a buy one, buy two, buy three, get one free with a free gift. So you have the buy one at 30, maybe the buy two at 60. I don't remember exactly. And then the bundle, the buy three, get one free with the free gift is $100 plus, or $100, let's say. And then I have so many upsells in the cart. I have the upsells of complementary products that make sense. I have the package shipping protection, which is an extra $5. Pure cash money in your bank, no fucking cost, pure profit. And you can be surprised. I think I have a conversion rate of 80% on that. Everyone gets package protection. Put it. It's easy. I have shipping options where I have 30% global warming shipping or carbon neutral shipping for $5. But then here's the little upsell. For $8, you can get 100%. So for my audience that cares about global warming, they'll get that. So it's all these extra ideas. Then you get the after sells, get another complimentary product that you can after sell. It's just, you have to find ways to build systems or to build an offer to increase your AOV as much as possible. And I strongly suggest you build a great offer. I'm not saying it's going to be your main offer for who knows how long, but a good offer while testing so you can be profitable. I remember the first day I tested this product, I spent like $80 and I made $350 because I would get orders of $100 plus on day one. That made me so profitable. Yes, obviously later on down the line when you start scaling, you test different offers to see which one is better, which one increases your AOV, but start off with at least a good offer. So the way I like to see it is I give people the option. You want to spend lower? Here's lower, get one. You want to spend higher? Here's 100 plus. I want to be able to give my customers the range from $30 minimum, by the way, $30 to $100 plus. And you basically got to think what makes sense. You know, how can I provide value to this customer? This customer is buying this product for a certain reason. They're a certain type of audience. You kind of have to know your audience, right? And say, what would they want more? What can I provide more that's really cheap, but I can put it to the bundle as a free gift to charge a higher price? You know, like I can't, like, it's honestly, I don't know. It's not that hard. It's actually pretty straightforward. Just have an offer, a good offer from $30 ranging to $100 plus with a bunch of upsells, a bunch of after sells, which a bunch of cross sells, and have like a bundle. So you can have like buy one, buy two, buy three, but then have like a bundle like of multiple versions of the product, additional, complementary products, all put in one that makes sense. Like think about, I can't even think about something on top of my head, but a lot of these people do like clothing, right? I don't know. You sell jeans, if you have to think, okay, these girls are buying jeans, what else would they want? Maybe would they want like a complimentary pair of socks or a complimentary hoodie or top to match with the jeans? Like, think about other additional products that complement your hero product that you can bundle in to charge $100 plus. You want someone to be able to say, you want a customer that's willing to be able to spend as much as you offer, right? Like, I would even say go as much, like, the sky's the limit, bro. If you can provide a very reasonable, don't charge like 2 pair of jeans for $1,000, but if you can charge, if you can make a bundle that's worth like $500, but it's actually worth it, like the value you're giving in this is like, oh shit, that's really worth it, do it. 100, I would say around 150, 200 max. I've had orders, again, $300. I don't even offer that. Let's say the max I offer is 4. Some people are buying 6, 7. Like, I'm getting orders of $300. And I'm considering on even offering, like, okay, fuck, you guys want it, I'll give it like a package of 10. You guys want a package of 10? Clearly, some people would buy. I do a package of 10 for like 200, right? So it's just about creating the offer that's huge, huge, huge. I don't know what else I'm missing. I really think you should just look at competitors, see the way they add value and the way they construct their offers and bundles, and try to replicate it and do even better. Or just, you don't even have to look at competitors. Just understand your target audience and see what would they want. What can I give them so I can charge a higher fee? And it's super, super important to have the low offer, $30 to $100. Have that range. Have offers from both ends. You need to. It's a must. No one's talking about this shit. Like, bro, offer's huge. It literally makes you be able to scale. Like, that's literally the main factor, or mixed out with creatives, obviously, if you have a good creatives, but able to afford your creative. Let's say you find a winning creative, but you have no fucking profits to put in money in the creative. It's useless. You need profits. You need to be able to have a good, healthy margin with high AOVs to then afford your scale. With that being said, this is your chill guy for the video today. We are printing, and I'll make a video more about like these 10K days. Yo, today we're gonna blow it out the water, bro. We're gonna blow it out the water. Hopefully 15. That's the goal for today. It might be 15, maybe a bit under, but we're gonna blow it out the water, and I'll keep you updated, obviously. But if you have any questions, drop them down below. And if you want to know more about my actual brand, I think everyone in my Discord knows my brand. But basically, if you want to know more about my brand or all the resources that I use, I have resources, Google Docs, PDFs. Bro, no joke. Like, I look, I'm being honest. If you guys are still watching and you're not in Discord, let me tell you a little secret, okay? Not a lot of people are going to watch till this end. I literally have breakthrough advertising, which is the GOAT of advertising in all the books ever, okay? If you don't know it, you're under a rock. Breakthrough advertising has been recommended to me by millionaires, like in person and online. Breakthrough advertising is like the GOATest book. I have notes and I have the full PDF book for free. That book costs $150. You can literally join my Discord for $20 just for that book. You're saving $130 just to get the book. We have literally the book. I'm not allowed to. That's why, like, keep it on the low. But literally, like, we have so much value. We have other, like, people. We have other shit from, we are low-key the most sauciest Discord ever. I don't try to promote it because I don't want to fucking get banned. But fucking, we have the low-key sauciest shit. We have the resources, the team, the community, the people, the killers doing it all for you. All for such a small fee. Literally a meal at McDonald's. Check it out below. I promise you, like, I want to help as much. Now that I'm starting to get numbers, I want to help as many people as possible. So that's why I'm trying to help you. Get in the Discord. I'll see you fucking in there. And of course, after I see you in the Discord, I'll see you at the top. Before we end, thank Jesus for all this for this to be possible. All right. Thank the Lord. He's helped me through it. I'm only achieved these numbers because of him. I promise you that. With him, we'll see you at the top.